Moral Catalyst, and I am Devika Vinod. Today is my Papa's birthday, so happy birthday, Papa! So today for him, I am going to make a simple birthday card. Now I am not with Papa. I am stuck in my native place. He's working in Bombay, so he only told me to stay here in native place, be safe. So I'm going to make for him a simple, easy birthday card. So let's see how to make without over decoration. So I'm not going to use that much decoration. So almost without decoration, I am going to make a birthday card. And that too, it's short and simple. And that too with our own scratch paper. So let's see how to make this simple birthday card. Friends, let's see the materials to make this simple birthday card. First we need scratch paper. You know friends, why am I telling you to make this card? Make a card out of scratch paper, because you know when we scratch with the scratching tool, it has nice multicolors. See, you can see, really beautiful. So that is why I am telling you to make card out of scratch paper. It will make your card really neat. And with that we need a scratching tool. Then you can take decorative materials. If needed, you can take. In my house I had these decorative materials. If you don't have, no problem. Then we need scissors, and we need glue. And if in case you want them, you can take these, these sketch pens and that all. If in case, so for in case I have taken this. So let's get into the video. Friends, we have finished our greeting card. This is the first page. This is the second page. Now you can see a beautiful rain. You can see these beautiful rainbow colors. That's why I'm recommending you to take scratch papers. These scratch papers will be really useful. And friends, you have to also write your name and the date, so that at future people, even you can remember when you gave this gift to anybody. When you gave this particular card. So you have to write your name and date. Okay, friends? So friends, this is really simple card. If you have no idea how to make a birthday card, please do watch this video. You will be able to make a birthday card really fast. So friends, until next time, bye bye.